natin. E maglalaro nga pala tayo ng evade. So, bago tayo mag-start, huwag nang kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Click na notification bell para updated kayo. Kung meron akong bagong video, start na tayo. Let's go! Okay guys, so, nag-spot na pala tayo. What is this? What the hell is this? Oh shit, that's so scary. What is this lurking dude? What is this? They are lurking in the shadows. What the hell? Let the world just pass me by. Touch me. My dust, let the world just pass me by. Staying still, restless. Diba dati darkness, guys? Diba? Dati darkness. Oh, plus liwanag sa inyo, guys. Liwanag. Fix natin. Liwanag. Liwanag. Yay!
What?
Anong lurking in the shadows? Parang, I'm lurking in the shadows. You must be. Oh! Who is that?
Hello!
Ay! What the hell? What? Angry Munsi yun. Pero hindi basta Angry Munsi. It's not Angry Munsi. Red eyes. It's not Angry Munsi. I hate that. I hate that very much. Easy lang pero namatay. Ah! Touch me. My dance make the world just pass me by. None to guide us. I feel fear for the very last time. Oh my god. Ang bilis ang intermission. Oh my god, ang bilis. Oh shit, oh shit. No, huwag tayo akit. Wag akit. Wag talaga akit. Ay, wag rin bababa. Alam kung bakit di ako akit. Kasi, merong staircase dyan, padiretso dyan sa pintuang yan. It's a carnival! Carnival! What the hell? Oh! Let the world just pass me by. Sino yun? Ah! Ano yun? Ano yun? Bagong export na naman. Please, wag ako. Ah, sino man yan? Sino yan? Text lang yan eh. Parang tuturuda. Sino yan? Hanggaan. Pwede sa taas. Kaysa kay Kabo. Oh, it's gabi. Sino yan? Ang gaan niya sobra. Holy grab. Nalaglag na? Ay, ang hirap kasi nito. Where is it? What the hell? May nahabol ba yun? What the hell? Oh my god! Happy Wheels? What the Happy Wheels? Who is Happy Wheels? Ano to, ano? Parang tire company? Car company? Ne. If I fall, I think I'll fly. Touch me. My dance make me part of your desire. Oh no! At least it tried. Yeah. Okay lang yan. Try lang naman. Try hard. Try hard. Peace, peace. Yes! Yung screen ko may laway na. Nakapahan ako sa pati. Punasan ko lang guys. Yeah. Let the world just pass me by. By the way, guys, malapit na mag-May, which is the start of my Roblox account. Gagawa ako ng surprise, pero di ko sasabihin. May 20 nga pala, guys. May 20. Kasi 5 years na ako naglalaro ng Roblox. 2019. Wait. 2021, 2, 3, 4. Oh, tama. 5 years. Parang happy birthday ulit. No, ayoko no. Sobrang cringe yan. Oh. Ayoko nun. Ang cringe. Oh. I'm gonna save this guy. Take it there. Let's go. We have money. $20. We are very rich. Oh, may aso. May aso. Laki ng ulo. Laki ng ulo. My God. Ay, my God. Bawal pala. Sorry, like. Ay. Oh my gulay. Ba't iba na yung tunog? Akala ko ganun. Wait. Ba't ganun kasi? Diba dati sino nga yan? When I'm magic in masama. Yeah, yun. When I'm magic in masama. Yeah. Mahaba yung when I'm magic in masama. Tapos yan, pandak. Pero, yan, laki talaga. Kulay. Let the world just pass me by. Touch me, my just make me part of your desire. What the hell now? What happened? Ay, Diyos ko, mawawala lahat ng... Yan na naman yung kotse. Oh my God. Lakas ng kotseng yan eh. Let's try. Hey! She's a very good... Why? When I'm magic in masama. Free money! Oh my God, guys. Nga pala ako. Namatay nga. Ako guys, na down nung next bot. Kasi nung sprinting daw. May sinisave ako. Muntik ko na sanang ma-joke. Pero bigla akong I'm gonna off like this. So, ay! Diyos ko! No, please. Oh! Okay! We died. We're not the dream. Easy dyan. Trip na lang. Ang hirap ka mo yan. Sana di ako mag-spoon dun sa my part na kailangan ko mag-jump. Doon rin naman mamamatay yung... Doon rin naman mga mahulog yung yung mga next bot. We are on trip. Sabi na eh. Kaya ayoko mag-spawn doon eh. Cut to the other side. No, please! Okay, dito na ako. Okay. Dito na ako kasi, yeah. I'm just gonna be here forever and ever. Just gonna watch them go down and down. What a great day. Bro, the next bot can jump, so they just fall into the ground. Like, yeah, they can. Oh, bro. Sitting is boring. I'm just gonna. Take. Nah, this too soft. Please don't demonetize my YouTube. I am very innocent. Very much. No, my friend. Oh. Wow, so many struggles. Oh my gulay, oh my gulay. Ang hirap ng buhay sa baba. Buti na lang ay nasa taas. Pero kapag umabot ka dyan, hindi ko na alam, parkour na yata yan. I don't know. Let's go! Buhay, pero... Atry! Yes! Okay. So many struggle. You know, like, there are so many struggle. And that is very hard jump. High jump. Bro, antok pa ako, guys. Touch me, my all I think my life. Touch me, You can do, yeah! Yeah! Oh. RIP for you, boy. By the way, ang ganda na ng evade ngayon. Nakikita mo na kung gaano ka kabilis. Okay? Gaano ka kabilis ngayon. Tumatagal. Mga 23 plus kapag tumatagal kang natakbo. Pero there are so many struggles. So many struggle. Ang bilis! Holy grab. Wala, papunta langit yun ah. Wait, what? Let's go with her back. Oh my god. Please, sana. Make the jump! Yes! Second jump! Lagi dito, lagi dito. Okay, we... Okay. May aimbot yung mga yan eh. Parang may aimbot. Oo, parang siyang may aimbot. Pero last round na and then I peace. Hi. No, I am guys, I am Cristiano Ronaldo. It's the ball I think of I just make me heart of you. What if umabot ako dun sa pinakataas na yun? Next bot won't be able. Next bot won't be able to get up there. That's my jump button. Ta-na-na-na! Maybe someone made it up. Yeah, but someone made it. Huh? What am I doing? We are just watching the chaos. It is not very good because there is some who had been oofed in the... Oh! Ano ba nagsasabi ako lang? Oh my God! I can see. Oh my... Kapag madamay ko pala, hindi ka masisit. Ganun ba yun? Oh. Nah, bros, just chaos over there. Yeah! So, dito ko muna tatapos yung video na to. Sana naman ay nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Yung notification bell para update kayo pag mayroon ng mga video. So, bye-bye na guys. See ya!